Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving into something a little different. AddMotor sent me the newest electric cargo trike, model E-325, to test and review. So yeah, let's open this up and see what it's all about. Open the box. The trike came very well packaged. It was pre-assembled. All you gotta do is put together the handlebars, which was straightforward. First up, let's talk about the design. The E-325 features a low-step aluminum frame, which makes it easy to hop on and off. From the first glance, you probably think this trike is heavy, but it's not that bad, weighing at around 145 pounds. My wife and I were able to lift and put the trike onto my truck without struggle. The E-325 comes with a 750 watt rear hub motor, which gives you a nice boost, especially on inclines. There's a range of pedal assist levels and a throttle option. You can ride like a bike, or you can just let the motor do the work. With a top speed of around 22 miles per hour, it's great for neighborhood rides or even running errands around town. The battery offers a solid range, up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on your assist level. Whether you're looking for a unique way to commute, haul groceries, or just cruise around town, this trike has you covered. For me, my main use for this trike will be cruising around with my daughter.
Okay, hold on. Oh yeah.
I like the fact that the trike comes with backrest cushion seats and seat belts. I really appreciate the staggered wheel setup on the trike. In my opinion, it gives it a more balanced look, with the 20 by 2.4 wheels in the front and a larger 24 by 3 wheel in the rear. All three wheels come equipped with hydraulic disc brakes. Let's see how well they stop. Another feature that I like is the double parking brake, one for the front and one for the rear. As you can see, right now I'm on a hill and the parking brake locks up the trike really well. Alright, let's talk about the battery. The E-325 is powered by a 48 volt, 20 amp hour lithium battery that's removable for easy charging. It takes about 8 to 10 hours for a full charge. A really cool accessory that comes with the trike is the fully enclosed sun and rain canopy. Setting it up is easy and straightforward. and now your kids or pets are protected from the elements. So what do I like about the E-325 and where it could improve? Let's break it down. First, I like that it's sturdy, has a long battery life, powerful motor that can tackle steep hills, and it can carry a lot at a weight capacity of 550 pounds. I also like that it's kid-friendly with all the comfort and safety features. I like that there's a rear rack to strap more cargo to or have someone sit there. It's nice to have. I also like the 7-speed thumb shifter along with the 7-level pedal assist. At around 145 pounds, it is on the heavier side, which can make it tricky to transport or move around in tight spaces. It's best suited for use in places where you don't need to carry upstairs or lift it frequently. It takes about 8 to 10 hours to fully charge, which might feel lengthy if you need to use it multiple times a day without access to charging. So is it worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, sturdy, and versatile trike that can handle various cargo loads, the AddMotor E-325 is worth considering. It's particularly well suited for people who want to use it for local commuting, running errands, or transporting heavier items. For me, this trike is perfect to cruise around with my daughter.